We are going to look at the course overview of Master in Building Design. Currently we are offering 3 courses. The first course is your Master in Building Design. In this course you will be taught total 5 software: ETABS, SAFE, RCDC, AutoCAD and the Revit. This course contains complete package of the building design. Now come to the second course. The second course is your Etap Superstructure Design. In this course you will be taught only the superstructure design in ETABS. Now let us look at the third course, which is SAFE Foundation Design. In this course you will be taught only the foundation design, which will be done in the SAFE software. Now in this introductory video we are going to look at the Master in Building Design, which contains a complete package of Etap Superstructure Design plus SAFE Foundation Design, and along with that you will be taught a detailing also in AutoCAD and RCDC, and also you will be taught a Rivet structure also in this complete course of Master in Building Design. Let us start. Before going into the detailed syllabus, now I will tell you that what actually the teaching patterns we are having. We provide you the online courses which will have 100 plus of the recorded video session, and along with that there will be live classes also. The live classes will be held at your flexible timing, and this will be a one-to-one interaction in which your all the dots will be cleared here, and also if you want to do the project related discussion you can do in the live classes. Also we will give you a project to do, and that project has to be submitted us, and in the live classes it will be checked. Now I will take you to the learning page where I will explain you that how our teaching pattern works. You have to open our website, that is spanstruct.in, and in this website you have to log in your account. The courses in which you have enrolled will come here. Let's suppose that you have enrolled a course of Master in Building Design. After that you have to give it continue here. This is your learning page. In this you will get all the video lectures of the course. In this learning page there will be a module, or we can say a course section, under which there will be a video lectures. In the module or in the course section you will get an option of live classes also, and you will get an option of submitting your files also. Let's suppose that if you're watching a module of making the mathematical model in ETABS, and after watching the videos of in this section, if you have completed doing your file, then you have an option of submitting also. And after submitting your file there will be live classes to see your that how you have done that project. In the live classes there will be an option of selecting your flexible timing, and these live classes will be held in one-to-one interaction. Now we will look at the course curriculum. In curriculum you will get a detailed syllabus of Master in Building Design. Under curriculum there will be module, and under the module there will be videos. If you look at it, we have the first module of CAD work. You can find here that how to make a structure framing plan and beam centerline for importing ETABS will be taught in the first module. Like that we have a second module of making the mathematical model in ETABS. So for this module there will be a different videos lectures, like how to import .dxf file in ETABS for making the mathematical model in ETABS, like defining the material properties, like defining the section properties. Like that there will be different lectures for making the mathematical model in ETABS. Like that there will be another module which will be of checking the warning in ETABS model, support system in ETABS. There will be a first turn checks without loading. Like that we have a gravity loading for beams and slab, under which there will be a different videos lectures. Then we have a vertical service deflection checks, under which you will be taught that how we can check the deflection in slab. Also you will be taught that how you can perform the creep analysis. Now the next is your moment release. Under the moment release you will be getting lectures of understanding the concept of moment release and how you can give the moment release in our ETABS model. Now the next very important module is the modal analysis. Under the modal analysis we have given a different video lectures which explain you that what are the different concepts of the modal analysis we are having. So we have given a very detailed explanation of the modal analysis in these video lectures. So if you look at it, the first lectures of the modal analysis is that understanding the core concept of the modal analysis. Under these video lectures you will be taught that what is the core concept of doing the modal analysis. The next is your that practical application of modal analysis. In this video lectures of the practical application you will be taught that what is the applications of the modal analysis in our project. Next is your that understanding the modal analysis clauses and making the mode translation. So what are the different clauses are there in our code for defining the modal analysis will be taught here, and also you will be taught that how you can make the mode translational. Next very important topic is that practically applying the codal provision clauses in our project. what are the different clauses are there in our code, how we can apply that clauses in our practical project will be taught here. Now the next important thing is that number of the modes to be considered in the modal analysis. What are the different modes you have to consider in the modal analysis will be taught in these particular video lectures. Now the next very important module is your earthquake design for static analysis. Under this module there is a different lectures which explains you that how you can do the earthquake analysis in our ETABS. Under this you will be taught earthquake code also. Now we have a next very important module is the floor diaphragm. Under the floor diaphragm there is a different video lectures which explains you that what is the core concept of defining the diaphragm in our ETABS. What are the different type of diaphragms are available. What is the practical application of the rigid diaphragm in ETABS. What is the practical application of semi-rigid diaphragm in ETABS. Now the next very important module is your design and centricity. So this module also is very important and we have to apply the eccentricity in our ETABS model as per the codal provisions. Under this module you will be taught that the design eccentricity as per the code requirement and also that practically design the building with the design eccentricity. Now the next very important module is your stiffness modification factor or SMF. So in this you will be getting a different video lectures like understanding the stiffness modification factor, and the second is that making the service model as per code requirement. So how you can give the modification factor in our ETABS will be taught in this particular module, and also what are the codal provisions are required for giving the stiffness modification factor will be taught here. Now come to the next module which is very important module, lateral deflection checks in earthquake static analysis. So in this particular lectures we are going to teach you that how you can check the lateral deflections in your ETABS model, and that should be checked as per the codal requirement also. Next module is your dynamic analysis for earthquake design. Under this module there are different video lectures that explains you that how you can apply the dynamic forces in your building, how you can balance your dynamic forces as per the code requirement, and how you can check the lateral deflection in the service model as per the code requirement in the dynamic load cases. The next important module is your torsion irregularity checks. Under these checks you will be taught that how you can check the torsion irregularities in your buildings. So the first video lecture is that understanding the torsion irregularity checks in our building as per the code requirement, and the second video lecture is that practically checking the torsion irregularities in ETABS model for our building. Then the next module we have a soft story checks. Under this module you will be taught that understanding the soft story checks as per the code requirement, and the second video lecture is that practically applying the soft story checks in our ETABS model. So how you can apply the soft story checks in our ETABS model will be taught you in this particular module. Now the next module is your vertical earthquake analysis. So I have explained you that in this particular lectures that how you can perform the vertical earthquake analysis in your ETABS model. Now come to the next module which is your P delta analysis. So under this module also I have explained you that what is the core concept of doing the P delta analysis, how you can check the requirement of doing the P delta analysis in your building, and also you can look at that practical applying the P delta analysis in our ETABS as per the code requirement. So what actually the code explains you that about doing the P delta has been explained in your these videos, and also I have explained you that what are the load combinations you have to consider it while doing the P delta analysis in your ETABS model. Now the next very important module is your dual structural system. Under this module we have two different lectures which explains you that how you can check the building for the dual structural system as per core requirement, and also that different condition for the building to become as a dual system. Then we have next very important module is the crack section analysis. So in this particular module I have explained you that how you can apply the crack section in our ETABS model before going for design. So in this particular module there is a different video lectures which explains you that how you can practically applying the crack section in ETABS model. Also that applying the crack section properties as per ACI 318 also has been explained here. Now the next module is your design module. Under this you will be taught that how you can design the column, beams and the shear wall. Then next module is of the detailing, which will be taught you that how you can do the column detailing, beam detailing, slab detailing, shear wall detailing and the footing detailing. Now the next very important module is your safe software foundation design. Under this module you will be taught that how you can do the foundation design in the safe software. So you will be taught that how you can do the isolated footing, how you can do the raft footing. Also you will be taught that how you can do the file foundation in the safe software. So this is very important module for doing the foundation design in the safe software. Now the next module is the Rivet structure. Under this you will be taught that how you can make the Rivet structure modeling in the Rivet software, and also you will be taught that how you can transfer the Rivet files into the ETABS. One very important query we are getting from a student, that how many days it will take to complete this course. To explain this, I am going to open the slide. In this slide, I have explained you that how you can complete this course in 60 days and become a master in building design. After enrolling the course and watching the videos regularly and also practicing regularly, you can able to learn the ETABS basics and making the structure framing plan in 10 days. In the next 10 days, you will be able to learn ETABS advanced analysis. In that, you will able to perform different type of analysis in the ETABS softwares, and also you will able to do the stability checks in your ETABS model. In the next 10 days, after practicing regularly, you can able to design the beam, column, shear walls and the slab. So in the 1 month, you can completely learn the ETABS software. In the next 10 days, you will able to design the foundation system for your project. After completing your ETABS software of the superstructure design, you can do the foundation design in the next 10 days. In the next 5 days, you will be learning the Rivet software. In that, you will be learning that how you can create the structural model in the Rivet software. After 15 days, with regular watching the lectures and doing the projects, you can able to do detailing and release the good for construction drawings. After completion of the course, you can able to design and detail the structures.